I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shopping. It's my life. I need money, 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 money. Yeah. It's my life.
Welcome back to my channel. Our third day in Nusa. So for today's vlog, we're going to view around our accommodation and kita nyo yung area namin, yan. And look at behind me. Look at the view. Beautiful. Hey! So ayan yung area. Ayan. So maaraw pero mahangin. Then we're just enjoying our I think this is our last day. All right, so ikot tayo sa accommodation area namin na here in Nusa, tsaka mag-hotel tour tayo. So thank you sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin, tsaka sa mga nanonood sa ating vlogs. Okay, Jokoy, all good? Ha? All right. Yan ang magandang mga next time na mga holidays lab na may yung magsasakay kayo ng boat, no?
Meron sila doon sa may
wow! Nice!
Boat ride doon.
Come
on here, Jok, wag dyan kasi mabuhangin yung
Hindi ah. Wow! Jok ah! Yay! Yay!
Ayun yung bike.
Wow! Yan, so ang mga amenities dito sa area na pinag-stayan natin, meron silang tennis court. Yan, tennis court. And then sa likod, kasi itong room na, itong hotel na to, eh pwede ang may aso, may kasama kayong aso. So nakabukod din yung bayad ng aso, di ba?
Oo. May charge ang
$50 para sa aso. Ito naman para sa inyong kasama yung aso na pwede nyo itakbo rito. Yan, pwede siya pupo dyan, gawin yung business sa area to. Itong para lang sa kanya. So nandito tayo sa back door. Start tayo sa back door. Okay, so papasok tayo sa loob. Yan. Yan. So meron silang barbecue area dito. Ang ganda sa gabi kasi may mga ilaw yan, maliwanag dito. Yan, pwede kayo barbecue dyan. Kasi ito, yan. Maganda yung sa gabi, may ilaw yan. Ayan. And then, ayun yung pool. Ayan yung pool site. Tapos may spa. Siyempre, alam niyo na yan. May toilet din dito. And then, yan lang yung pool hours. May parking. Okay. So, let's check our room. Chen! Di na namin nilinis kasi pang third day na ito. Mag-check out na kami anytime. Anytime. Ayan. So, ito yung bathroom. Ayan yung jacuzzi. Small jacuzzi. And then, syempre, shower. Ayan. Jacuzzi. Ayan. Okay. And then, meron tayong laundry. Dito yung laundry nila. Dryer, washing. Dito, ito yung dryer nila. Washing. Tapos, may maliit na dito lababo. Yan. Maliit na siya. Then, what else? Okay, so, dito damitan. And then, small kitchen. TV. Bed. Di na namin naglinis kasi last day na namin ito ngayon. Nag-home tour tayo. Sa maliit na sala. Table. And then everything pretty much here. Na ano lang, hindi masyadong malaki. Di ba?
Oo, tama na.
Cute lang siya. Tatlo lang kami. And then ito yung... Actually meron silang dito ito yung tutupin na to.
Folding bed.
May folding...
Parang pwede nga 5 tao
folding sa 5 days. Tsaka pati ito. Pwede mo yung gawing bed. Yan. Okay. Right. And then, ito yung likod. Yan. Yan yung likod mo. So ngayon, nasaksihan nyo na ang aming hotel tour, tsaka yung paligid, amenities sa buong area ng pinag-stay natin sa Nusa. So mamaya check out na tayo. So hanggang sa muli, there you have it. So hanggang sa muli.
Bye!
We'll see you for another vlog. Okay, magbabay ka na. Bye-bye!